Okay, so we're talking about circles. The other day I posted something about circles, and I said that there's a 12-ness to circles, just kind of built in. Talking about base 12 geometry, and someone scoffed at this. So I'm just drawing this pattern here. So far you can see it's just circles. So when we do this pattern, it's just same size radius, just putting that point of the compass on the inner circumference of the inner circle, drawing more circles. We divide that inner circle into 6 sections. So you could say there's a 6-ness to that pattern. And then what we do is connect the points. So I'm going to do that, show you what that looks like. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Very, very simple. And now what we're going to do is draw right angles to all of those lines. That's very easy because the points have already been determined by this geometry. It's kind of built in. So right angle to this line here, we'll be going through here, and right angle that one there, and it's pretty obvious, so we're going to do that now. Okay, back again. You can see now I've got all the lines drawn like that, and now you can see that that second lines, they intersect the circle there. That's a new point. So we're going to put the compass down on that point there, or one of them, and then go around, and it's going to connect. Okay, so now I've done that, and right away you can see the complexity of what we've achieved there, how interesting that is, how much more round looking the outside is, and we have more lines we can draw now. We can divide all the sections that we've already created, and here we've created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, 10, Dec, L, Do, 10, 11, 12 in base 10. So 10, 11, 12 isn't complete, it's like 1.2, but in base 12 it's just 1.0 or 1. Okay, so continuing our talk about the 12-ness of the circle. So when we look at this now, we can see that the inner circle is actually divided into 24 sections. As you go on, you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, and 24. So in base 12, that's 6, and then 10. Or 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, point Dec, point L, point Do. Pi. Those are the lines of pi. And each one of these circles is divided into 12. Okay, so just showing you that the circle, this is what I mean when I say the circle has a 12-ness to it. All of those circles, and that's just circles, compass and a ruler, those are the rules of geometry. This is the beginning of the diagram for 360 degrees. So the question to you is, what are the next steps to create a diagram for 360 degrees? How do you keep dividing the circle in order to eventually create a circle with 360 equally spaced points on its circumference? So that's the question I'm going to leave you with. There is a 12-ness to the circle.